Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change system language on KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this, first we'll need to click on this button, and in case you have your camera set in a language you don't understand, simply follow which buttons I'm pressing. So we want to go up to menu with this joystick, so go up, enter menu with set. Then move to the fourth page with the wrench button. You can do this by clicking on the right side of your joystick. Then language should be as a third option right here. So go 1 and 2. Click on set. And here's a list of all languages that are available. And there should be in their main native language. So choose whichever one you like and click on set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.